Hey guys, Nightwolves here, and I'm here with Zoomer, aka Penelope, and we're on breakfast shop stand, and I don't know what this is supposed to be. I don't remember what you said. Anyways, we're going into their portal. I don't like this. I don't like this. Nuh-uh, that's not what it is. I don't understand how this is supposed to. Fancy banner shop? Wow. I guess this isn't so scary. Oh my god! Come to third in now. Now let's go look up more. Okay, look up listen, look up 9987 Santa baby. Really? What do they look like? No, thank you. Dragonborn returns. Look up that username and see if their den's unlocked. Never mind. Wait, really come. I wanna come. Yeah, your brother would love this. Ooh, who's this portal go to? The courtroom. And there's a portal back, I guess. Okay, I'm going to be in court, I guess. I'm in court. You're the judge. You're the judge now. I don't know why. I want to find more creepy users, but I can't. What is this glitch? No, don't. I will get in so much trouble if you say this. But, I'm in trouble for screaming. Why does it look like we're not even on the floor? I'm going into the portal. Barrel shop? Wow. Let's go into here. The shop. And then why are there so many portals? Pet shops then? And then there's a portal. Well, I'm looking at their pets because they have some rare ones. I love you. Restaurant shop. Wow, they're beta. They're beta. I think these are betas, but hurry up. Hurry up. Hurry up. I think these are some betas. The Flores. And the cups, I think. I can't click them. Art gallery shop. Why do they not have a wolf? Oh, they have a wolf. Oh my god. I love it so much. I love it. Ooh, they have another wolf. They have another wolf. I think. Which one? I'm going into the portal. Candy factory shop? Oh my god! Yeah, in a minute. I'm looking at all these dens. I love them. There's a candy shop. Just come here now. Go to the portal. Come follow me now. I don't know if these are den betas. They have like a million of them too. Just please come here. Hurry up before I leave the stand. I just want to show you this. I don't know if these are den betas and I'm really hungry. I'm starving. Yeah, I know. Illuminati confirmed! The silver brick shop? Oh, so many silver. Why does it outline out? Let me do something really quick. Let me do this something. Illuminati confirmed. Next one. This is outlined of an owl. Let's go see the next. The bronze brick. And then there's a bronze brick. There's going to be a gold brick, I bet you. Hurry up and follow me. I'm leaving you now. What's wrong with this? Okay. Oh my god! Oh my god! What is wrong with this game? It's scaring me. The origami shop. Do you know how to spell origami? Okay. The silver brick shop. I'm just gonna go here. I'm going back to the silver brick. I'll be in the bronze one if you're not already there. And then I'm going to the origami shop. Yeah, you might want to follow me. I'm legit walking. Oh my god. I think I'm walking on the... Oh, never mind. Okay. See, you can't walk. Oh my god. I don't know if this is true, but I think I'm walking over that wall thing. I think I'm walking over that wall thing. Follow me now. You're walking. I literally walk over this. I can literally walk over the... Look, you can walk over the... You can walk over the wall thing right here. See? The... Yeah, I don't understand. What? What is this? This is so beta. This is so beta. Go to a flower shop. Go to a flower. They're so beta. A flower. It's a flower. This is so beta. The maze shop. There's two portals. I don't know which one to go into, but have it. Oh my god, Zoomer, can you please follow me to see this beta? Please. Penelope, please, just follow me, Penelope. They're so beta. Hey. Look how beta this is. Look how beta this person is. Anyways, I'm going into go into the maze shop. I'm going into the maze shop. I gotta reload again. The maze shop, I'll be there in a minute. Just go there so I can follow you. I gotta call you. You're glitching. Call you. Number 153 Dino. 153 Dino. Oh, you are on the Epic Dins list. I've been on there like for 3 times. Charge. Please charge. Laptop. I don't know if we should look for more creepy. Yeah, I want to look for more creepy animal gems. Yes. Okay. Oh my God. Stop. I so didn't go through the portal. I don't know if I should go in the yellow or green. I'm going in yellow. I went back into the maze shop. No. Who's Senpai? No. Missile? I don't like this den. Oh, this is cool. No, I never went here. That's Phantom Academy. Did you go into here? No. I'm going into the floor.